Hello guys, welcome to my channel Machine Learn. My name is Abhishek and I work as a software developer. So if you have opened this video, that means you are looking for a job. So it's my humble request that please watch this full video without skipping it. So before starting this video, if you are new here, please hit the subscribe button so that you won't miss any one of my videos. As you all know that due to coronavirus, whole world is almost shut down. So when all these things will end, hope so it ends soon, there are chances that we had to face a recession. So I am going to tell you some secrets that every developer should do, especially the fresher who are just going to jump in this field. Let's take an example of a Java developer. I interviewed many candidates in my company who come for a Java developer post. So the common mistake that they do is they study all the hard concepts but they forget about the basics. The interviewer always start from the basic question and then go to the harder one rather than directly going to the hardest part. Now the second mistake is you all do 4 to 5 small projects and write it in your resume. This is the biggest mistake you all do while making your resume. All candidate that think it will create a good impression on the interviewer that I have made so many projects. If you are also having a same mindset, change it now. Rather than having 4 to 5 small projects, just make one big project with all implementations. Like, make a project which has a ton of logical things. For example, you can make a hotel management app. In that, first user has to register himself. After a successful registration, they can log in. Now, check the status. If the user has successfully logged in, assign user with a access token. Now tell user to choose the check-in and check-out date. You can use filter on that, like if check-in and check-out date is greater than 7, you can tell user that you can't stay so long, or else if the date is smaller than 2, you can give a response like 2 short interval, and you can prompt a message that minimum stay is of 3 days and maximum 6 days. So that implementation shows your logical skills. After a successful check-in, you can check in database which room is empty and assign your customer that room. This so you can do operation with database. While logging out, you can simply delete the access token of the user, which shows that user can no more use this application. For using the application again, the user should log in. So my point is that if you make such kind of one project and explain to your interviewer, trust me, many interviewer won't ask you any question on Java. They will start questioning about your project. Once they have started talking about your project, now the game is in your hand. Explain their each question very clearly and your chances to get hired will increase. Now, the third point I want to highlight is that whenever you go in an interview, do not go just studying basic concepts only. Basic concepts is the most important thing, but there are plenty of candidates who know basic concepts. So to make yourself stand out of crowd, you just focus on few more things. Also, for like if you are going for a Java interview, it's important to know core Java, but to increase your chances to get hired, you should be knowing some Java frameworks like Spring, Spring Boot, so that this make you different from the crowd. Now, the fourth and last one, always practice program on pen and paper, because writing program on computer is very much easy, but writing program on paper is damn difficult. So be prepared to write the code on pen and paper. Okay guys, so that's all for this video. If you prepare like this, you will be hired soon by an IT company. It's a time of lockdown, so give your time in making that one big project that can easily make you get hired. So if you don't know how to make these kind of project, kindly comment below. If you all want, I can make a series of these kind of project which can give a good impact on the interviewer. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you like this